Hi ladies, welcome to the Whole Ladies series. My name is Adaeze. Let me start with the simple truth. Many women look strong on the outside, but inside they are quietly carrying wounds. We smile, we show up, we succeed. But beneath the surface, many of us are holding pain from childhood, from broken relationships, from disappointments, and from life experiences we never truly processed. Pain that makes us question our worth. Pain that keeps us stuck in patterns we don't even understand. I know this because I have lived it. For years, I struggled with anger, low self-worth, and emotional wounds that I didn't even know how to name. On the outside, life looked fine, but inside, there were parts of me that were still hurting. And one day, I realized something that changed everything. Healing doesn't come from pretending the past didn't happen. Healing begins when you acknowledge your story, confront the lies and the pain, unlearn the lies you believed about yourself, and choose to walk in truth. This realization is what gave birth to the Whole Ladies series. But this space is not just about my story. It's about the journey many women are on. The journey of becoming whole. You see, life has a way of shaping us through our experiences. Some experiences strengthen us. Others leave wounds that quietly influence how we see ourselves, how we love, and how we move through the world. Many women are carrying responsibilities, expectations, and silent battles while still showing up for everyone else. They are building careers, nurturing families, supporting communities, and pursuing dreams, often without pausing to care for the woman within. And sometimes, in the middle of doing everything right, we realize that there are parts of us that still need healing, clarity, and growth. That is why the Whole Ladies series exists. This channel is a space for honest conversations about the real things that shape woman's life: identity, emotional well-being, relationships, faith, purpose, personal growth, and the experiences that challenge us to evolve. We will talk about the things many people avoid talking about: trauma, forgiveness, emotional triggers, boundaries, self-worth, and learning how to go through life's hardest seasons. But this space is not just only about healing wounds. It is also about rediscovering joy, building confidence, nurturing wisdom, and embracing the fullness of who you are meant to become. Here, we believe that becoming whole is not just a destination, it is a journey of understanding yourself more deeply, a journey of growing beyond the limitations of the past, a journey of becoming the woman God designed you to be. So if you're someone who believes that growth never stops, if you value meaningful conversations that inspire you to reflect on your life, if you want to keep evolving, learning, becoming stronger in every season, then you are in the right place. Welcome to the Whole Ladies series. This is more than a channel. It is a community. It is a conversation. It is a journey toward becoming the woman you were always meant to be. Because wholeness is not just possible, it is your birthright.